How you doing? I'm Marshall Megginson here at the 2020-19 Vice Nationals, and I'm better known as street player, like I say, from Northeast Van Pack. I'm going to introduce you to my 2000 Dodge Chrysler. As I'm the original owner, well, I'm going to say I'm the original owner. My father, which was called Catfish, he's still living, 91 years old, and I named the van after him. He's retired, he's still living. I'm blessed to have both of my parents. So instead of letting the van go, I kept it in the family. It was a family union, but we go to family reunions and family gatherings in it. So he no longer can drive it, which he's still living. So I decided to keep it. I also have an 81 Dodge tandem van, but we won't discuss that right now. But I kept this for my father because it was in good shape. And like I say, I got plenty of artifacts, plenty of van festivals. I'm not new to the game. I've been around the block and back, but it's something I wanted to introduce, and never introduced a minivan. I wanted to try something different because this one was a strictly factory, running boards, aluminum wheels. I just basically had it painted and redone, kept it the factory paint job. Everything, as you can see, was like new inside. He never rode in the back. He had covers all over the seats. You got a TV and everything in the front, but you can hit from the back door when you go to the back. But it's all factory original. And you don't see, I think they made 1,000 of these with the high top and the dual side doors. They made 1,000 of them, so it's really an original van, and that's why I want to keep it. It's a Town and Country Chrysler Cross Country, which is a Dodge division. If anybody know about Town Chrysler and Dodge. Well, Dodge came out with their vision of a custom minivan, the downsize from the Chevy, big Fords and Chevys. They came up with a nice conversion, which I thought was pretty neat because my father, 90-something years old, could get in and out with no problem instead of the big conversions. And it's got the double slide doors, as you can see. And you don't see too many on with that, and the raised roof, as I can see. It's got the hatchback, which we got the logo, once again, street player, Catfish Hole on it. Northeast Van Pack. This right here is my main friend, Tony Red Dog Mitchell, was the founder of Northeast Van Pack. I'm the co-founder and now president of Northeast Van Pack. As you see, I got all my safety equipment, play by the rules, as you see. Nothing new that I don't know about. So, like I say, it's a really sharp van to be 20 years old. All the lighting system, TV, everything works. Got rear air conditioning. It's a big plus, especially in this kind of weather now. Yeah. That's about it. I thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.